Rascal the Dragon by Paul Jennings, illustrated by Bob Lee. Ben loved every dragon in the street. "I wish Sniff was mine," said Ben. "Isn't he good?" "No," said Dad. "He smells." "I wish Shovel was mine," said Ben. "Isn't he great?" "No," said Dad. "He digs holes." "I wish Ruff Ruff was mine," said Ben. "Isn't he terrific?" "No," said Dad. "He barks." "I wish Bomber was mine," said Ben. "Isn't he fantastic?" "No," said Dad. "He poos on people." "Can I have a dragon, please, Dad?" said Ben. "Just to love." "No way," said Dad. He was cross because he could not start the fire. So Ben went out to play with Sniff and Shovel. He played with Ruff Ruff and Bomber. Just then, Ben saw a small, stray dragon. "I wish you were mine," said Ben. "You are a little rascal." The stray dragon followed Ben home. "Maybe Dad will let me keep you, Rascal," said Ben. "Dad, can I have this little rascal, please?" asked Ben. "No one wants him." "No," said Dad. "What good is he? Can he wash the car?" "No," said Ben, "but he is so nice." "Can he mow the lawn?" said Dad. "No," said Ben, "but he is so lovely." "Can he hang out the washing?" said Dad. "No," said Ben, "but he is so cute." "Can he start the fire?" said Dad. "Yes," shouted Ben, "he can." Dad was happy. "You can keep Rascal," he said. "He is amazing." "Yes, he is," said Ben, "and I love him."